Welcome to Delicious Recipes. Today we're making authentic fire-grilled shashlik. Tender chunks of meat are marinated with fresh onions, garlic, herbs, and aromatic spices to build incredible flavor. The meat is carefully threaded onto metal skewers and grilled over hot charcoal until a rich, golden crust forms. Every turn over the fire creates a smoky aroma while keeping the inside juicy and tender. Served with fresh onions, warm flatbread, and a flavorful dipping sauce. Every bite is packed with bold barbecue taste. This is one of the most satisfying grilled meat dishes you'll ever try. Would you taste this amazing shashlik? Follow Delicious Recipes for more incredible recipes from around the world.